What about PowerPoint? Well, yes, as you can guess, PowerPoint has its own shortcut keys, and let me show you in today's video the A to Z of PowerPoint shortcut keys. So let's start with the first half, A to M as usual. Control A is select all, Control B for bold, Control C for copy, Control D is for duplicate, Control E for center alignment, Control F is find, Control G is go to, Control H for replace, Control I for italic, Control J for justify, Control K insert link, Control L for left align, and Control M is a new slide in the current presentation. If you're finding these shortcut keys useful, then please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and use one of the links in the description below to join my email list for regular updates and tips. Moving on, our second half, N to Z. Control N is new file, Control O, open file, Control P for print, Control Q, save and close current presentation, Control R for right align, Control S for save, Control T for format font, Control U underline, Control V for paste, Control W is close file, Control X for cut, Control Y for redo, and Control Z for undo. I'll see you in the next video.